Hello, I'm Channin Pelletier and I am the instructor at Waffle Flower Crafts, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com to create some fun cards using new products by Waffle Flower Crafts. Today we're going to create this beautiful rainbow card doing some simple ombre inking using the brand new rainbow panel die, rainbows stamp set, and rainbow word die. To start, I've already gone ahead and die cut this cloud and rainbow out using the rainbow panel die. As you can see, the die cuts out the cloud and these rainbow stripes. I made sure to put the negative strips right back into the die just to make sure I keep my colors in order. I want to make sure I color this pink, this orange, this yellow, green, and blue. So I want to keep these in there so I don't get mixed up. I will also have my distressed oxides arranged in rainbow order as well. I'm going to start with the pink, so I'm going to pull out this first strip, ink up my blending tool, tap off the excess, start at where the end meets the cloud, and lighten my pressure as I work my way up. I'm now going to blend on this scrap piece of white paper here. I will later cut out my sentiment from this strip. So by blending on here, I'll create a rainbow sentiment as well. I'm going to use the same colors as I used before, starting with the picked raspberry. And now I'm done. And you see how the rainbow word die will fit right over this blended rainbow, and it will match perfectly with our ombre blended rainbow that we made earlier. So now I'll just die cut this and we'll be ready to assemble the card. Okay, so I went ahead and die cut the rainbow sentiment from the rainbow blended scrap that we made, and I also die cut it from a sheet of self-adhesive foam. And now I'm going to peel off the backing and then adhere this word die cut right on top like that, so that rainbow sentiment has some dimension. I've gone ahead and done that already. So you see it here, has a little bit of dimension. I'm now ready to assemble my card. The first thing I'm going to do is put some tape on the back to hold all these stripes inside the die cut. I'm going to flip it over, place them back in. Now that I've popped them in, I'm going to use some washi tape to hold all those stripes inside the die cut. I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to adhere an A2 panel of gray cardstock onto an A2 top folding card base. Stick that down. My rainbow is going to be to the left of my card. Before I stick it down, I want to position my clouds. The die cuts a large cloud, which is part of the rainbow, a medium cloud, and a small cloud. I want to tuck that small cloud right behind the rainbow. So once I get everything positioned just the way I like it, I'm going to pull off the other pieces, use some liquid glue to glue that little cloud in place. I've already gone and heat embossed part of my sentiment on some black cardstock and added some foam tape to the back. I'm going to remove the backing and stick it right on this cloud. Now I have my dimensional rainbow sentiment that I'm going to add. I'm going to remove the backing and position this just below my strip sentiment. Now I'm going to trim off the overhang. Flip the card over, use a pair of scissors, keep the blade right up against the card base. The last thing I want to do is add some sparkle with some sequins. I've got some beautiful iridescent sequins over here. Grab some liquid adhesive. I'm going to go ahead and add some dots right onto my card base. And now our card is finished. Has some beautiful sparkle from those iridescent sequins and a nice soft look from our ombre inking. And I love how we also ink blended this rainbow word die to kind of bring in the same rainbow colors from our rainbow. I have another card I'd like to show using the rainbow panel die. This die is great for making shaker cards. You can even turn the rainbow itself into a shaker. I hope you enjoyed this close-up on the rainbow panel die, rainbows stamp set, and rainbow word die. Thanks for watching. If you like this video from Scrapbook.com and want to see more, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!